Alright, so here we're gonna check if the email matches the database email. So we're gonna say if db email equals email, we're gonna do something inside here, else we're gonna give a message saying incorrect email. Incorrect email. Let me just move this here, indent. Alright, so after that we want to say if db password equals password. We're gonna do something inside here. If it doesn't equal the password the user has entered, we're gonna give it incorrect password. Alright, so inside here is where we're gonna create or make the session, and it's gonna look something like this: session email is gonna be equal to the database email, semicolon. So whatever the email is, whatever the email is in the database, that's gonna be the session. So after that we want to do header dot, not header dot, I mean header parentheses, semicolon, and single quotes, location colon home page dot php. The header is gonna redirect them to the home page after they have successfully logged in. Alright, so one thing we have to do is start the session here on top. So session underscore start, and little single quotes here, single quotes there. What else do we have to do? If database email equals email, if database password equals password. Alright, we have everything. So after this we want to add some PHP tags, and we want to start the session again, and I'll tell you why. And we want to say email equals session email. Alright, I'll tell you why we're doing this. Once we copy this and open up a new page and save it as header.php, and do the same with this, copy, new, paste, save it as footer.php, and don't forget to include these two. So footer.php and include header.php. And the only reason I'm doing this is because it's easier just to put these two files in an include file in any of the pages we make or files we make, and we could tell whether the user's logged in or not. For example, we're gonna create the home page, which we haven't created yet. So new, all we have to do is include the header.php file, create, and add the footer.php. Save this as homepage.php, and inside here we're gonna give some h1 tags my home page, and if we save this and we go to home page.php, you can see we have this, and everybody can see it, even the people that are not logged in. We're gonna make sure that doesn't happen. And one other thing is, you notice this, the only reason we have an undefined index is because the session hasn't been started. So once the session has been started, no more undefined index. So to do that, to make sure that the user is logged in and can only see the home page if they're logged in, we're gonna create a PHP syntax and say if not email, basically if no email, we're gonna do header, and inside here single quotes location index.php and save. Go to our browser, enter, and it sends us back to the index.php.